ready to level up your trading game by directly connecting your Crypto.com wallet to Pocket Option for lightning-fast transactions. First, make sure you have funds available in your Crypto.com wallet. If not, you will need to purchase or transfer crypto to your Crypto.com wallet once funded. Log into your Pocket Option account and navigate to the Deposit section, usually found under the Finance or Wallet tab. Here, you'll see a list of available deposit methods. Look for the Crypto.com logo and select it. This action will initiate the linking process. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit into your Pocket Option account. You'll then be redirected to a secure Crypto.com authorization page, either within the Pocket Option app or in your Crypto.com app, depending on your settings. Carefully review the details and confirm the transaction. Once authorized, the funds will be transferred from your Crypto.com wallet to your Pocket Option account almost instantly. Remember that withdrawal process is generally the same. Select Crypto.com as withdrawal option on Pocket Options, then confirm on the Crypto.com app. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency investments carry inherent risks, so always do your own research before making any financial decisions. Now you know how to connect your Crypto.com wallet to Pocket Option for seamless trading.